This is a shell pile. Pretty sure this is the shell pile I looked at yesterday, so I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. Like I said before, don't skip piles that look like they've been picked through because everyone sees something different, that's for sure. Like, that's broken. You know what I mean? Like, you never know what you're going to see. Apparently all I'm seeing is broken stuff, but let's do a quick look through. I like that one. So, illegal. There's a spiral. People are starting to walk the beach. There's another spiral. There's a spiral. I know spiral is not the official name, it's just what I call them. I think they're types of augers. Did you find one, Robert? There's a else I like to pick up in groups of 3s. What else should I pick up? That's a broken scallop. Oh, there's an olive. Thank you, honey. Someone dug through it yesterday. There, just popped out of nowhere. Thank you. He's good at spotting those. It's kind of hard right now for me. It's extremely windy driving. It's drying up my contacts. So windy. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's so windy. Now he's using his fishing pole as a pointer. Thank you, honey. Very useful. "21 different uses for a fishing pole." He's not happy with his line. He wants to replace his line. So